English Conversation for Beginners. Episode 2. Emma and Julia go to the mall.
Hey, Julia! Do you want to go shopping this weekend?
Hey, Emma. Sure. What day were you thinking?
How about Saturday at p.m.?
That works for me. Which shopping mall?
Let's go to Westfield Mall. They have a great food court and lots of stores.
Great. Where do we meet?
Let's meet at the entrance near the food court.
Okay. See you Saturday at 2 p.m.
See you then.
Emma and Julia arrive at the mall.
Wow. There are so many people here today.
Yes. Weekends are always busy.
Where do we go first?
Let's go to the clothing store. I need a new jacket.
They enter the store and look around.
Look at this dress. It's so nice.
Yeah. How much is it?
Let me check. Oh, it's $80. That's expensive.
So, let's find something cheaper. Look. This jacket was $60, but now it's $30.
That's a good price. Try it on.
Emma tries on the jacket.
It fits well. I like it.
They go to the checkout counter.
Hello. Is this all for today?
Yes.
That will be $32 with tax.
Okay, here's my card.
Now let's go to a shoe store. I need sneakers.
They go to the shoe store.
These sneakers are nice. How much?
120. That's too much.
Yes. Oh, here's a cheaper one for $50. They are perfect. I'll buy them.
Now I'm hungry. Let's go to the food court.
Yes. Let's get burgers and milkshakes.
They go to the food court and enjoy their day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Comment on what you learned from today's dialogue. See you in the next video.